TCP dump for beginners. Hi y'all. If you ever wondered what's happening on your network in real life, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can use tcpdump, one of the most useful command line tools for network analysis. With tcpdump, you can easily capture and inspect packets directly from your system. Now let's get started, but before we do, can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you. To use tcpdump, you need to use sudo because this is required to capture packets. Then tcpdump, you hit enter. It asks us for our password. That's it. This command listens on the default network interface. As you can see, it flags anything that is happening on your network. To stop it, we can use Ctrl+C. Sometimes you want a particular amount of output. For example, we could ask it to print this output like 5 times or to capture only 5 packets. Now it captures only 5 packets for us. So there are so many flags that you could use with tcpdump. Sometimes you want to gather log to a certain host. For example, we want to gather log from our device to host google.com. You can use this command, but we want to see this log live. In that case, we can use tcpdump-l. It's going to print out the output live. As you can see, now we are being taken from our device to the host and host back to our device. Let me press Ctrl+C. We can also do this with port number. For example, port 80. Again, when you use -l, it lists or rather prints the output live for you. Might take some time. Now you can see it's printing the output for us. You also have the option to get ICMP response. Let me ping something. Let's ping google.com. So now we are getting our ICMP echo reply. So we are getting it live. Let me stop. We also have the option to combine all the commands. Here you can see sudo tcpdump and then host google and port number 80. Now let us go back to google.com. Let's quickly analyze a couple of lines. Let me stop this. So here this line is from the host, or rather from source to destination, which is to Google. As you can see, we have the timestamp, we have the IP. So here we have our computer from where we issue the command. This very line here tells us like it's kind of shows us the direction, and the direction here is towards Google server. So we can see the ICMP echo request. So this is how you can easily use the tcpdump to inspect the traffic on your computer. So in next tutorial, we are going to go deeper into this. So I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you.